everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you want to stop replying manually to all your inquiries on WhatsApp and automate your WhatsApp conversations with an amazing AI WhatsApp assistant? Then this video is definitely for you because in this video I will teach you how you can create your own WhatsApp chatbot for your business without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. Okay? So now first of all let me tell you how this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, AI WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply to all the inquiries that my customer has. Okay? So now this is the WhatsApp chatbot and with my WhatsApp number, let me send a WhatsApp message towards this bot. So my first question over here is cash on delivery available? So that's my first question. Let me ask this bot about this question right over here. Yes, cash on delivery COD is available on the orders under 3,000 in selected cities. I have a next question, that is, do you accept UPI or phone pay payments? Okay, so I will send this next question to the bot. So over here I'll wait for a few seconds for the response to come. And in front of you, I have received the response. Yes, we accept UPI payments including phone pay during checkout. You can choose UPI app for secure and easy payment process. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. I have another question. So my next question is, do you sell heat protection sprays? Okay, so let me ask this next question. Yes, we do. Lushberry offers heat protecting sprays. In our hair care section, these sprays help shield your hair from heat damage caused by styling tools. Okay? I have one last question left, that is, I have oily acne prone skin. Which product should I use? So I'm asking this last question towards this AI assistant. So I'll wait for the reply from this AI assistant right now. I've received the reply for oily and acne prone skin. I recommend the following products from our oily skin collection: oil control cleansers, lightweight mattifying moisturizers, salicylic acid treatments, and lightweight sunscreens. Okay, so you can see I've received this reply from this AI assistant. Now this is how this AI assistant is going to reply to all your customers, and do you know, no one is replying this manually to me. This is all automated. This is done through an amazing AI assistant that is handling my WhatsApp conversations and inquiries 24/7, and I am not even lifting up my finger. So now if you want to see how you can create this amazing AI assistant for your business as well, let me show you how it's done. Simply open a new tab on your computer, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and you will come to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. After coming to the landing page, I want to tell you about one thing before we get into the creation of this amazing AI assistant. That is Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Now over here, let's create this automation. On the landing page, you will find two options. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly, simply sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you will see this All Pabbly Apps section. We want to use Pabbly Chatflow, so click on this Access Now button and you will land towards Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard now. Now Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing tool that helps businesses to automate their WhatsApp conversations and manage their WhatsApp conversations super easily and efficiently. Now to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, simply have to click on this Add WhatsApp Number button, where you will find two options to add your number: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. Now if you want to learn the tutorial of how you can add your number by any of these methods, you can find the video links in the description section. Pabbly Chatflow provides with multiple features like inbox to control contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links in the description section. Okay? So now to create a new AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, simply go towards this AI assistant section inside Pabbly Chatflow right here. And you will come towards the AI assistant dashboard of your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now to create a new amazing AI assistant, click on this add button. Firstly, name your AI assistant, for which I will give it as let AI WhatsApp bots handle it for you. Okay, so this is the name I want to give. You can name your AI assistant whatever you want. Then click on this add button. And as soon as I've done that, automatically the AI assistant is going to be created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now there are some sections that we need to fill and complete in order to create this AI assistant. It's super easy, okay? First section is AI instructions. Instruction type I will select over here as AI agent. You can select the other instruction type according to your requirement, or even add a custom instruction according to you, okay? As soon as you will select the instruction type, the instructions will appear right here. If you want to add in some points, you can add the points over here, okay? Next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. So let's suppose you want more focused replies or you want more creative replies. So we have a range right here, 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies and 1 being very creative replies. I want to reply between creative and focused, so I will select over here as 0.5. Okay. Next is select AI to use. I will use OpenAI. Model, I will select GPT-4o mini. Then you need to provide the API key. Now to have the API key, you have to go towards this hyperlink in the help desk. Then you will come to the API keys page of your OpenAI account. Now remember, I have a paid account with OpenAI right now. So that is why I can create this amazing AI assistant. If you do not have a paid account with OpenAI, this AI assistant is not going to work for you. You have to have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your business. I have one, so I'm using that in this video. Okay. I will click on this create button to create the API token. We have to first name the key. So for the name, let's suppose I will write it as new. Project is default. Permissions, give all the permissions to the key and click on this create button. The key is created. Copy it from here, paste over here in the field and click on this connect button, and the API key is going to be added inside this AI assistant. Now we have some AI assistant settings. First is header message or footer message. Now with this message over here, with all the messages that this AI assistant is going to forward towards the lead, if you want to add a header or footer always in the message, you can add it through toggling these buttons on. Okay. Stop keyword. So let's suppose now you want to give your customer or the lead an option of stopping this AI assistant. So you need to add those stop keywords right here. Toggle this button on. You will find the field. So let's suppose my stop keyword is stop. I will enter the word, press the enter key to save the keyword. You can enter as many stop keywords according to your requirement right here. Okay. Next is retry attempt. If you want that, toggle the button on. And last is fallback message. So let's suppose this API key over here that you have provided with OpenAI is not working. Automatically the fallback message that is entered right here is going to be forwarded. Remember that if this key has a problem, then only this fallback message is going to be forwarded. Now after that, next section is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a very important part of an AI assistant. Okay. So now I have created a knowledge source. That's my knowledge base of my business, where I've given my business overview of what my business is about. I've given each and every single detail you can see right here. What are the categories? What are the products? About my products, I have given a very detailed knowledge base. You can see of how many pages? 21 pages right here. You can create even bigger knowledge base according to your requirement. I've just created this dummy knowledge base right over here. This is a dummy base just to show you how you can create your knowledge base for your business. Okay, so I've created this dummy one right now. You have to create your own, and you can even create it with many pages, as many pages as you want. But if your PDF has images, then 10 pages is the maximum limit of the document. Okay, so now if you have text, you can add as many pages of PDF you want. There are two formats that Pabbly Chatflow accepts, that is TXT and PDF. So you have to create the document in any of those formats. To upload that knowledge base, click on this button right over here. I have my knowledge base, so I will select it. This is my knowledge base. I will open it. And as soon as I will open it, in the knowledge sources section, you will find your knowledge base like this. You can see Lushberry knowledge base. That's my business name. And if you find this vector ID, that means the knowledge base has been added. Okay. After adding, next is assistant interface. Now assistant interface and the styling section is used if you're adding this AI assistant on your website. So I have a website for my business for Lushberry. That's a beauty brand. So I have a website for it. So now if I want to add this AI assistant on my website, as usually nowadays you see on the website, on the corner, right or left corner, you will see a help desk, a support space where you can add your AI assistant just like this. Okay, you can see a button like this and an AI assistant. So this is the interface, and you can make changes in this interface right here. First is brand name. So my business name is what? Lushberry. You can see right over here. So what I will do is for the brand name, I will enter my business name, that is Lushberry. If you want to change this line, you can change it from here. If you want to add another initial message, with this one, you can add second message also. And if you want to change this message, you can as well as do that. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be visible, enable and disable it from here. If you want a hyperlink like this, you can add the text as well as the link right here. So now let's suppose the lead or the customer has forwarded a message towards this AI assistant, but not from the website. So what will be their initial first message towards this AI assistant? So you need to add that initial message right here, the usual one. Okay. Next is styling. So let's suppose according to your brand, you want to change the color, background, shape, everything. You can change it from these options under styling section. I do not want that, so I'm going to skip the part, and the AI assistant is created. Did you see how simple it is to create this AI assistant? Now to activate this AI assistant, toggle this button on and click on the Save AI Assistant option, and the AI assistant is going to be saved and created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now to add this AI assistant on your website, as I've told you, simply go to this embedded and you will find the script, copy the script from here, add it on your website code, and the AI assistant is going to be added on your website as well. Okay. As now we have created this AI assistant, now let us check whether this AI assistant is automatically replying to my messages or not. And for that, I will send a query towards this AI assistant on my WhatsApp from my number. And for that, I will open my WhatsApp from here. So this is my WhatsApp, and towards this bot, my first question is shipping free? Okay, so this is my first very simple question to this bot. Now let's wait for the reply from this bot to me. So I'm going to wait over here for a few seconds. In front of you, I've received it. Yes, shipping is free on orders above 999. For orders below 999, a flat delivery fee of 60 is applied. If you have any more questions or need assistance with your order, let me know. Okay, so I have another question, that is, can I use a discount coupon? So I have this another question, and I received the reply, yes, you can use a discount coupon at checkout. Just enter the coupon code before completing your payment. Okay, I have another question, that is, how many days will it take to deliver? Okay, so let me ask this another question right here. I have received the reply, delivery times varies at location. So these are the delivery dates you can see right over here. I have one last question left, that is, do you have perfumes under 1000? Okay, so this is my last question to this bot. I will wait for the reply from this bot right now. Yes, we have beautiful collection of perfumes and body mist under 1000. You can explore options like floral mist or amber charm by Lushberry Essentials in our perfume section. Okay. So as now this bot is automatically replying to all my questions, this means this AI assistant has now been created and is working. And we have created this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to the creation of this AI assistant, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. And now there is one more step that I want to add. Now, if you want this AI assistant should be enabled automatically for all the contacts or a specific contact list inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, for that simply go to settings and inbox settings section right here and scroll down. And you have to enable this AI auto replies button right over here. Okay. After enabling, you have to select the contact list to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to. So you will find the list like this. I will select all contacts as I want to assign this AI assistant to all my contacts. Then select the AI assistant. My assistant is in the name of let AI WhatsApp bot handle it for you. So this is my assistant, selected from here and save this rule from here. Okay. And automatically this AI AI assistant is going to be assigned to all the contacts in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to assign this AI assistant not just to all the contacts, you want this AI assistant to be assigned to a single contact. So how you can do that? For that, simply go towards inbox section. The inbox section. Chat, let me select this chat right over here. And now what I want this contact to be assigned with this AI assistant. For that, simply toggle the button on of this choose AI assistant section right over here and select the AI assistant from the drop down, and the AI assistant will be assigned to a single chat as well. Okay. So now this is how you create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.